Hey, sweet cheeks. Ooh, a new pump's in.
I think
Starting to bolt.
stupid gasket fucking moved.
Look at that. What's it clean? Everything's so nice and clean. You want my pass-through set to make that easier?
Yes, please.
All right, I will go get it for you. How's that going? Got my pass-through set, I see. You like that, huh?
Yeah, it's alright. Whatever. No, they work really well for stuff like that.
Yeah. That's why I told Mr. Burns here we need to put those sets on his little Amazon wish list. Because once you use those, you're like, what did I do with it? What did I do without that type of thing?
Right?
Pass-through is where it's at, homie. So those get all snuggied up. Wow. New pump going in.
Yeah, like a new car, I guess.
I mean, practically it is. It drives really well. I mean, I have no qualms about the way this car drives. Ooh, pumpy, pumpy. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing that with a cordless because you might just go. It doesn't make enough torque to break it, but it does make enough torque to find stuff, which we don't want that.
That's fine. I don't have a problem using the cordless. I know when to not being.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of people on the face of the earth that don't.
Yeah. Yeah, no. So yes, you people on YouTube do not use cordless.
Well, some. I mean, there's a finesse. There's a finesse to a lot of things. Bernsey wants a pass-through set. Right?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Santa Claus can bring you that for Christmas.
In July?
We should have Christmas in July.
That'd be hilarious.
We should do a Christmas in July thing. I think it'd be funny. There you go. Don't break it. Yeah. Yeah. Happy man. See? Little pass-through action.
Man, that went faster, that's for sure.
Hey, that made your life a lot better there. All right, that's coming in. Good job, Mr. Burns.